Hi, I'm Glo and welcome to Glo's Kindred Kitchen. Today I wanted to share a recipe with you guys for cooked wheat berries. It's very easy to do and you can use these for several different things. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is measure out 4 cups of water, which I have here, and 1 cup of wheat berries. Today I'm using hard red wheat berries. They have a nutty flavor to them, and so I'm going to go ahead and turn my pan on high. I am going to pour my 4 cups of water into my pot, along with my 1 cup of wheat berries. So the ratio is 1 to 4. I'm just going to kind of stir this a little bit here, and what we need to do is bring this up to a boil for 2 minutes and let it boil for 2 minutes. And I'll be back and then I'll show you the next step. Well, our wheat berries here have been boiling for 2 minutes. I'm going to turn my burner off, put my lid on, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and it's going to set here for 1 hour. And then at the end of that hour, I'm going to put it back on heat to simmer for 1 hour. And then our wheat berries will be ready to eat. They're great in salads, and they're also good as a side in place of like rice or potatoes or something that you would have with your dinner or your lunch. They're full of nutrients. So anyway, I'll be back when we go to the next step of simmering them. Well, I'm back. It's been an hour. These have been soaking, and they're already starting to plump up a little. Let's see if you can see them. See how they're already starting to plump up? So now what I'm going to do is simmer these for an hour. This is just one of the methods to do this. You can soak these overnight, or you can bring them to a boil and let them boil for an hour. But for today, this works best for me. So anyway, I'm going to be bringing these back up to a simmer, and a simmer means where it's just breaking the water, the bubbles. And I'll be back during this time frame. It's important though to watch to make sure your water level doesn't get too low. You want to always keep your wheat berries covered with water. So anyway, I'll be back in an hour and we're going to see how this looks. Well, here I just wanted to show you what I meant by a simmer. See, it's not a full rolling boil by any means. So this is going to be like this for an hour, and just check it every once in a while to make sure it has enough water to cover it. So I'll be back in an hour. Well, it's been an hour, so let's take a look at this. This whole time I just turned the burner off, but you can see that it's still simmering there. I did have my lid ajar the whole time. Like when I say ajar, like that.
Not totally sealed.
Correct. And now you can see, let me take a spoonful of this out. You can see how they've plumped up. These are just so good, you guys, and so nutritious. I'm going to just put a few in this bowl here so you can see. Actually, let me just put my hand. They're warm, but they're not boiling hot. So you can see where it's plumped up. When you eat it, it's chewy and it has a slight pop to it. The texture is great, really good in salads and as a side in place of like your rice or your potatoes. And I look forward to these when I make my salads. I really do. And you can use this in place of like, like chicken or whatever else you're going to put in your salad if this is going to be your main course. One thing you do need to know is that I made enough here to last for about 4 days for my salads, and if I wanted to make a side for us for dinner. With that being said, you need to store it in your refrigerator in an airtight container. But I got to tell you, it is just wonderful to have on hand. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have and you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Give me a like, thumbs up, and I want to thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.